Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 in my boat restoration video. I'm restoring a 2000 Nitro, trying to get it ready for when this little guy can start walking and holding a fishing pole. But yeah, it's coming together pretty good. Last time I figured out pretty good use with this super clean. Kind of got a lot of oxidation off. I'm going to kind of go back through, sand a couple of spots so I wasn't quite able to cut through. And then after that, I'm hoping to buff the entire boat today. I don't have a lot of daylight left, a couple of hours left, so we'll see about that. But you guys will see the full thing in this video. Thanks again for stopping by, and let's get to work. Well, guess who's on his way to Harbor Freight? I have read a couple of comments and watched a couple of videos and have had some great suggestions. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I've been using the wrong pad. I'm gonna go look at Harbor Freight, see what I can get, and I'll be back shortly. Hey guys, how's it going? I just got back from Harbor Freight. Well, I just literally walked out of Harbor Freight. Figured out that I was using the wrong pad on my buffer. So, got a new backing plate for it, or a backing pad, and got a wool pad. So, I've been using a foam, which turns out is not the correct option. But hey, you live and you learn. I'm figuring this out as I go. I'm heading back to the house now. Gonna get out of the work clothes and try to get to work on the boat as long as my little one allows it, because I am on his schedule. So, but hey, that's what 3 months does to you. It makes you the boss, right? And he is the boss of the household right now. But yeah, so we'll dive back into it when I get back to the house, hopefully. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. It was just a foam pad. What I was supposed to be using was a wool pad. So let's see if this right here makes the whole process a little bit easier. Crazy what you can do with the trip pad. So I want to thank everyone for the suggestions, because that is going to make my life a lot easier, and I'm going to actually be able to get the boat done now. So thanks again.